Today I will start new topic for 11th standard, that is kingdom Plantae. You have already seen that in previous chapter 5 kingdom system classification. तुम्ही 5 kingdom system classification शिकलेला आहात. त्यामध्ये सायंटिस्ट R.H. Khedkar he classified the organisms, all the organisms in 5 kingdom, that is kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia, kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi. ओके, अशा पद्धतीनं सगळे ऑर्गॅनिझम जे आहेत ह्या 5 किंगडममध्ये बसवलेले आहेत, एक्सेप्ट व्हायरसेस. देर इज नो प्लेस इन दिस व्हायरसेस इन दिस क्लासिफिकेशन. या क्लासिफिकेशनमध्ये व्हायरसला कुठंही जागा नाही आहे. ओके, देन द किंगडम Plantae. You are to study more about the kingdom Plantae. All the plants are classified under this kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae is classified on the basis of characteristics like कोणत्या कॅरेक्टर्सच्या आधारे किंगडम Plantae हे क्लासिफाय केलेलं आहे. द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ और ॲब्सेन्स ऑफ सीड्स, व्हॅस्क्युलर टिश्यूज, टिश्यू डिफरन्शिएशन, प्लांट बॉडी, etc. What about the classification of kingdom Plantae? The kingdom Plantae classify 2 subkingdoms. कोणते 2 सबकिंगडम्स? क्रिप्टोगॅम्स अँड फॅनोरगॅम्स. क्रिप्टोगॅम्स, phanerogams. The characteristics of this, that is phanerogams, the flower producing, seed bearing, commonly called the seed producing plants, produces special reproductive structure, visible structure. Phanerogams. Cryptogams, here the spore producing plants. These plants produces the spores and do not produce the seeds and flowers. They reproduces sexually by gametes, but sex organs are concealed. Concealed म्हणजे झाकून ठेवलेले, झाकलेल्या अशा पद्धतीने. ओके, देन क्रिप्टोगॅम्स. Then further classified into, it includes non-vascular plants and vascular plants. Non-vascular plants and vascular plants. Non-vascular plants, vascular tissues absent, vascular tissue present. या प्लांटमध्ये व्हॅस्क्युलर टिश्यू सिस्टीम मीन्स presence of xylem, phloem, parenchyma, collenchyma, like these tissues are present. These tissues are absent in non-vascular plants. Non-vascular plants again further divided into, it includes two divisions, that is Thallophyta and Bryophyta. Thallophyta and Bryophyta. Non-vascular plants. Vascular plants, that is division Pteridophyta. Pteridophyta. Vascular plants. In these plants, division, the tissue system present. Then phanerogams, subdivision, subkingdom phanerogams. These are vascular plants. हे जे plants आहेत, हे plants कसले plants आहेत? हे vascular plants आहेत. In these plants, vascular tissue or vascular tissue system is well developed. It includes two divisions, vascular plants. Gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnosperms and angiosperms. Division gymnosperm and angiosperm. Here gymnosperms again the flowering plants, but the seed bearing plants, the seeds are naked. Here in angiosperm, seed bearing plants, seeds are developed enclosed in the fruit. It is divided into, or it includes two classes, that is dicotyledon and monocotyledon. Dicotyledons and monocotyledon. Phanerogams, flowering plants. Vascular plants, it includes two divisions, that is gymnosperm and angiosperms. In gymnosperms, the seeds are naked. Without fruit formation, seeds are developed. Here, seeds enclosed in fruit. It includes two classes, that is dicotyledon and monocotyledon. Dicotyledon and monocotyledon. Dicotyledon, two cotyledons present in the seed, and in monocotyledon, single cotyledon. For example, maize, jawar. Dicotyledon, any pea, bean, mango, etc. The examples of these dicotyledon. That is about the classification of kingdom Plantae. हे किंगडम प्लांटीचं क्लासिफिकेशन अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला सांगता येईल. Then see characteristic features of these kingdoms and or silent features of these divisions of different groups. Okay, that is division Thallophyta. First of all, silent features of division Thallophyta. Division Thallophyta or characteristic features of division Thallophyta. Members of this division mostly aquatic, few are epiphytic, and some grow symbiotically and epizoic. Symbiotic and some grow epizoic, means that is aquatic, they grow in water. Epiphytic, on another organism, they grow on another organism. Symbiotically, that is with relationship between other organisms, beneficial relationship. Both the organisms are get benefit to each other. That type of relationship is called symbiotic relationship. Then some grow epizoic, that is growing on living non-parasitically, growing on living organisms, non-parasitically on living organism. Aquatic algae grow in marine or fresh water. Aquatic algae grow in marine or fresh water. यामध्ये काही प्लांट्स, काही algae जे आहेत या कोणत्या ठिकाणी वाढतात तर खाऱ्या पाण्यामध्ये वाढतात. मराईन वॉटर, फ्रेश वॉटर, गोड्या पाण्यामध्ये वाढतात. अशा प्रकारचे aquatic, that is algae grow. The plant body is thalloid. Plant body is thalloid, not differentiated into root, stem and leaf. अशा प्रकारची प्लांट बॉडी ही आपल्याला अल्गीमध्ये बघायला मिळते. They may be small, unicellular, microscopic. They may be small, unicellular microscopic, for example, chlorella, that is non-motile algae, Chlamydomonas, motile algae. It has a flagella. They may be multicellular, unbranched, filamentous, for example, Spirogyra. Spirogyra is a filamentous algae, or branched filamentous like Chara, 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 and Sargassum. These are the branched filamentous algae found in water. The algal cell wall contains algal cell wall contains काय असतं algaeच्या सेलमध्ये either polysaccharide like contain polysaccharide like cellulose or glucose. हे algaeच्या सेल वॉल मध्ये असतं. Reserve food is in the form of starch or its forms. रिझर्व फूड जे आहे हे स्टार्च किंवा त्याच्या फॉर्म्समध्ये अल्गीमध्ये स्टोअर केलेलं असतं. देन अबाउट द रिप्रोडक्शन इट टेक्स प्लेस बाय व्हेजिटेटिव्ह, सेक्शुअल अँड असेक्शुअल मेथड, बोथ द वे. इन algae the reproduction is takes place vegetative, asexual and sexual method. The life cycle shows phenomenon of alternation of generations. Here dominant haploid and reduced diploid phases are found in algae. And that is about the characteristic features of thallophyta. अशा पद्धतीनं आपल्याला थॅलोफायटा ची कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स सांगता येतील. ओके, कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स और सायलेंट फीचर्स ऑफ डिव्हिजन थॅलोफायटा. देन द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ algae on the basis of presence of chlorophyll pigments, that is like chlorophyll, xanthophyll, phycobilians. The algae are classified into chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae, that is green algae, the green chlorophyll pigments present, hence it is called chlorophyceae. Then phaeophyceae, that is members of these group, that is brown, it is called brown algae because the mostly brown photosynthetic pigments are present, and rhodophyceae, red photosynthetic pigments present, hence called rhodophyceae. See one by one the characteristic features of class or silent features of chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae, that is green algae. silent features or characteristic features. The members of chlorophyceae are fresh water, few are brackish water or marine water. काही मेंबर जे आहेत हे खाऱ्या पाण्यामध्ये, ब्रॅकिश वॉटर म्हणजे काही सडलेल्या पाण्यामध्ये ब्रॅकिश वॉटर मध्ये वाढतात. द प्लांट बॉडी इज युनिसेल्युलर. दी members of this class are found in fresh water, some are in marine water, marine or that is brackish water. अशा पद्धतीनं आपल्याला या क्लासमधले मेंबर्स जे आहेत हे वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी पाहायला मिळतात. फ्रेश वॉटरमध्ये, ब्रॅकिश वॉटरमध्ये आणि मराईन वॉटरमध्ये. प्लांट बॉडी इज द मेंबर्स ऑफ दिस ग्रुप. दी प्लांट बॉडी इज, कशा प्रकारची प्लांट बॉडी असते? द प्लांट बॉडी इज युनिसेल्युलर, colonial, filamentous. Unicellular, single cell. For example, Chlamydomonas. Colonial, in the form of colony. Filamentous, for example, Spirogyra, the filamentous. Cell wall contain cellulose. Cell wall contain cellulose. यांच्या सेल वॉल मध्ये सेल्युलोज असतं. Chloroplasts are of various shapes. Chloroplasts are of various shapes, like ribbon shaped, discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, etc. Spiral with chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Then the reserve food is in the form of starch. Reserve food is in the form of starch. Like these characteristic features are found in class Chlorophyceae, green algae. Okay.